Hi princess, what happened?
Hi. Nothing, I was just thinking about future savings.
Why don't you invest little savings in cryptocurrency?
What is that? I know nothing about cryptocurrency.
Don't worry, I'll make you familiar with cryptos. Let me start with what is cryptocurrency. Before getting into the video, I would like to give a disclaimer. This video is for educational purpose only. Any information provided on this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the video content as such. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Crypto Lab India does not recommend that any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Crypto Lab India will not be held accountable for your profits and losses. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized digital currencies. This means that they aren't backed by any bank or government institution. They do, however, abide by a set of rules. These rules allow it to exist outside of the traditional financial system and instead within a computer network. A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Whenever we speak about cryptos, we will come across the word Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the first, very real, decentralized digital currency to exist. It was introduced in 2009, and along with it, came the blockchain. Now you all be thinking, what's blockchain? The blockchain is a massive digital ledger. For those of you who aren't accountant terminology aware, a ledger is a collection of financial accounts used to track transactions, on which each transaction on the network is recorded. Blockchain is one type of distributed ledger technology. What does that mean? It's simple. In native banking and financial bodies, there will be regulatory bodies who will be managing this ledger, but in the case of distributed ledger technology, the ledger will be shared with all the nodes in the network. How does the blockchain work? It is a permission-less system. No one needs permission to participate in the ledger, and no one is in charge of the system. A huge benefit is that anyone with an internet connection will have access to this currency. Even in the traditional banking system, this new power will make it much harder for public authorities to enforce financial regulations that are unjust, because this oyster of new possibilities exists thanks to this digital ledger. You will be wondering, if no one is in charge of this massive global system of money, then how is it protected against fraud? This job is taken care of by the miners. Now, who are miners? A miner is someone who verifies the transactions occurring on the blockchain. They record these exchanges on the blockchain, and this earns them Bitcoin as a reward. Fact: every Bitcoin in existence was originally produced to reward a miner. How does a transaction get into the blockchain? First, a transaction is requested and authenticated. Then, a block representing that transaction is created. The block is sent to every node that is participant in the network. Here the nodes represent miners. Then miners validate the transaction. Miners receive a reward for proof of work, typically in cryptocurrency. Then the block is added to the existing blockchain. Then the update is distributed across the network. Finally, the transaction will be complete. This was a short introduction on cryptocurrency for beginners. In the coming videos, we will be exploring in detail about cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.